The pressure has not been controlled. What we monitor here is the number of liters we give per minute.
Based on prescription.
For instance, along the route and along the line, there's some damage or some leakage or something else, and there is no pressure here. Is there a way you can control it will not happen?
That was the FCT Minister, Malam Muhammad Musa Bello, alongside top management staff of the administration and health secretariat on his regular inspection tour of the Idu treatment and isolation facility. When the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic hit, there was need to increase demand of the facilities, especially oxygen available to meet the needs that did and may arise.
This valve controls the oxygen flow to the patients up there. Before we start using them, we have to open all the valves and then open this one. And then this is an alarm system. Once these cylinders are empty, the alarm alerts us. Once it alerts us like that, we come and close the chamber and then open all these ones again. And then we remove these ones and we fill them immediately.
With close cooperation with the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 and Health Secretariat, the administration moved to upgrade the facilities, especially in available bed space and oxygen for patients for 24 hours. Addressing press, the Minister of the FCT, Malam Muhammad Musa Bello, says he is pleased so far with ongoing work.
I am pleased to say that based on the inspection I've seen, work is almost completed. We can now boast of about 72 bed spaces, and within the next couple of days or maybe 1 or 2 weeks, we'll try to see that we have 100 bed capacity. And the oxygen facilities have been divided into two. I think about 20 beds for those that are in a way semi-intensive care, and then the other beds for those who would probably require oxygen intermittently.
He appreciates the efforts of the staff, saying the administration is ready to combat the pandemic.
Well, whatever happens, I think we are prepared. But our prayer is that we don't need to use these facilities. And I think the way we look at the figures, we hope that really we may not need to use them. And I'm very happy with the dedication of the staff and all what I've seen here. And I will continue to come here from time to time to make sure that everything is being done well.
The minister says it is going to be a regular visit on his part to ensure proper work is carried out. Evie Egwari, ITV News, Abuja.